Hey guys, what's happening? How to go viral on Bluesky in 2025. First, jump on trends fast. Stay updated with trending hashtags and discussions. Right? Right here, you're gonna see what's new. Next, post engaging content. Click the pencil at the bottom right. Right? Post hot takes, memes, and insightful threads to get most shares. Next, be interactive. Reply to big accounts. Ask questions and spark debates. Engagement drives visibility, right? And make sure to use hashtags regularly, right? Do not spam, but tag relevant topics to increase discoverability, right? And post at peak times. Test different times, but evenings and weekends tend to perform well, right? And leverage visuals. Eye-catching images, GIFs, and videos boost engagement. And network with influencers. Just collaborate with viral users and join their conversation. Stay authentic, lastly. Bluesky users value realness over clout chasing. Be yourself. And post smart, engage hard, and ride with the algorithm wave. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.